Hello, folks. Do we have audio?
Oh, yeah, can you hear?
I can. John here. How are you?
Good. I think it's you and me, and then I don't hear anybody else on here.
A little technical difficulty getting started, but never used Hangouts before, so brand new to me.
Oh, they're pretty easy.
So one of the screen share. Okay, a little tool button on the left-hand side of the screen.
Yeah, so on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see like it says like screen share, like question and answer. So like you can add in if you want to type in it and stuff like that.
Perfect.
And then like if you want to capture pictures, there's like lots of different cool features you can do. I'm currently working on mine because mine all got deleted about 10 minutes ago.
Your presentation did?
Yeah, I updated slides, and all of a sudden I'm like, why are all my slides? I'm redone.
Oh no! Oh, that's very scary. I'm sorry.
Life happens. And it sounds like Melissa is going to meet me tomorrow at 1.
Okay, Melissa's tomorrow at 1. And then, so, was it David?
David said he... I'm trying to look right now. I don't know. I'm not sure. By the time 1,000 emails went through.
Let me see who. Well, actually,
David
okay.
He's get a camera.
He's installing the plugin for Hangouts now, as of 2 minutes ago.
Okay.
That's what I had to do too. I didn't realize there was a plugin that had to go in, so that's why thought I was ready to go, and then it said, a couple minutes.
No worries.
And Chantal is here as well?
Yeah, she's been chatting online for the last little bit.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, I see. Okay. Now, do you have video? Do you see video from me?
Yeah, I've got video.
Okay.
Here, I can...
There we go.
So you can probably see me now. I'm in the library, sorry. I was going to go
nice headset.
And park the house.
I have to get a headset like that.
So I'm here.
So how are you going to recover your PowerPoint?
I'm doing, it's like 80% there, but I'm trying to, I'm doing it right now.
Yikes, yeah. Saturday comes real fast.
Yeah, we're supposed to go fishing all day on Saturday, so I'm like,
Oh boy. Well, you can use your, what is it called? The free pass for Sunday?
Yeah, I had, yeah.
I haven't used that yet, so I'm saving that. It might be this weekend, maybe. I don't know. Huh.
So like okay.
Ours is taking a while with stuff.
So like if we screen share, it looked like this, just as like a heads up. So now you can see like all my stuff. Can you see like all the crazy screens?
Let me go bounce back. I bounce back to the. I don't see any screen yet.
Okay. It would look like. Now do you see something?
No, not yet. I just see the Hangouts home page.
Okay.
With your photo actually in the middle. I don't see your video, so I just have audio at this point. Does it let? I assume it lets just one person share a screen at a time.
Yeah, I think it does.
You want me to try to share mine and see if you see it? Let me try. Let's see what it does if I try to share mine. Okay, so full screen. Start screen share. So you should see you.
Yeah, I see me now.
Okay. So I don't know why. So let me ask you. I'm sure this. You see PowerPoint right now? Okay. So that's working. Let me stop screen share here. Oh yikes! Wow, that is bizarre. I just clicked on. I'm getting like a total tiled effect here. Can you still see my screen?
Yeah, I still see it.
Do you see what it looks like? I mean, do you see the...
Well, it's my screen looking at your screen looking at your screen. It's like a continuous.
Nice. Okay. Absolutely.
Wow.
Okay, so yeah, it actually does let more than one person share a screen at a time then. So if I stop screen sharing, so did that go away now? I see your screen now, so I see me. Scary. That's very scary, but
Hello?
Hello.
Oh, okay, so it is working.
Chantal, is that you?
Yeah, that's me. Wait, I can't see.
How are you?
Good. Are you John?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Hi, John.
How are you?
Excellent. This is pretty interesting, this Google thing.
Yeah, I've never done it before, so completely new to me.
Nicole, have you used this before?
Yeah, it's how I Skype my dad or like Google Chat my dad, and then we like screen share, or if like we do homework or if like other people in my classes, they can look at my screen and we can go through it.
Interesting.
So
you just click screen share?
So then stopping screen share is just a click again?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, there we go. Now I see okay.
Oh, can you guys see my screen?
Yeah, it looks like it puts all the screen shares along the bottom, huh?
Interesting. Okay. Now it's back. Interesting. That's very cool. Okay. So, we're still waiting on Harold, David?
David, I think.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I think he's still loading his.
So how many slides did each of you come up with?
I think mine is 12 long. And two of
Okay.
those are kind of like references.
Mine ended up being 11.
Right. Yeah. Mine was about 8 before I read that what Dr. Hanrahan had put out on the notices pair in the email about all of the various topics that had to be covered, and then exploded to 19 slides. So I'm hoping you can all, we can trim that down. Maybe, I don't know, but
Okay, now I feel better. I like cut mine down like way far. I was like, I don't know how long this is supposed to be.
I know.
Did Melissa said she's coming in tomorrow, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I talked to her and I said I would meet her tomorrow at 1. So that we could go through and do that. So at my lunch break, I was gonna meet her.
Okay, cool. And then I found your LinkedIn, Nicole. So I was just gonna review that for the assignment because we have to do that this week.
Oh, yay! Yeah, my LinkedIn is really messy. Got a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I didn't have one, but I realized we needed it for this assignment, so I made one kind of quickly.
Oh, mine is like really busy.
Yeah, I wondered how everybody felt about that LinkedIn, creating that page just for the assignment. So if I do that, it will be very boring, very brief.
Yeah. Yeah, that's about how mine is. Because I know my boyfriend put one together, and it took him like days, to really get it nice and stuff. And
Oh yeah, no, I just uploaded my resume and that's what it ended up being.
yeah.
I was like, oh, it's really busy. It doesn't follow any of her guidelines. So David's still loading his. Alright, so you guys figured out screen share. Let's see.
Is that someone joining? Is that the join tone?
That also might be my computer beeping.
Oh.
So how long are these presentations realistically supposed to take? Like 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
I
Tonight?
can't imagine them taking a really long time.
Oh, I meant like per person.
Yeah, I would think maybe 5 minutes.
Okay.
And then I think our assignment is we have to kind of record or write down what we said and the feedback we got back or something.
Are we supposed to record our actual presentation or just record what our presentation would be?
I think she just said like write down what you told the team, or you know what I mean, how you gave a presentation, and yeah, kind of summarize it, I guess.
I meant like for the last week, because she was like, okay, well you gotta like be on camera and set up that thing. So I didn't know when we give her our final presentation if it's gotta have the people we give it to in it or not.
Yeah, I wondered that too.
Because I feel like that's real awkward.
There's David.
Alright, can everybody hear?
Yes, I can hear.
Yep.
Okay. Who wants to go first?
I guess I'll go first.
See if you wait long enough, somebody will buy it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna open up a new document so I can kind of write down what you guys say for the assignment this week.
Okay.
So my screen might be a little bit busy when I share it. So.
Well, you can also just share the document that you want to share too.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. Like I was just like I've got it on my desktop. I was just gonna like share screens and then open it.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Okay. So I apologize for my inexperience with this.
No. It's just Skype sometimes limits like you can't do like a lot of like the other stuff while you're doing it. I don't know.
Oh, okay. Okay, so full screen. Okay. So can you guys see that?
There we go.
Perfect.
Okay, so I guess I should give you guys a little bit of a background.
Sure. Yep.
I work.
There we go.
This project is good. Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, great.
So I work in a restaurant, and so this project is pertaining to the way we order food on a weekly basis. What's happening to my computer? The way we order food and kind of do inventory, we do it like 3 times a week, and it's just, I just learned about it at the beginning of the semester actually, and I realized it was pretty slow and inefficient, and it sounded like a good project for this class. So that's kind of the background. So, okay, essentially we just want to become more efficient. You know, I think that's kind of the foundation of what you want to do in a business overall. If you're looking to be more successful and, you know, not lose money and try and make more money. So we're going to try and save time by stopping having to do double work, which is what we're currently doing. We're going to try and increase accuracy, and hopefully just overall speed up the process and just, you know, kind of, you know, use current technology because I feel like we're not really doing that as well as we could be. So usually it takes about 2 hours. I had to sit through a couple of the inventory procedures, and it was just really tedious and very sloppy. We're standing in the fridge, flipping through a book, trying to find these things that we have to order, and then we're scratching it out if we, miswrite a number, and then, it's very hard to read. We walk it back up to the office, and we highlight everything that we need to order. Then we enter it into a system on the computer and order. It just seems like there's too many steps. We could just cut something out. So we just need to be dedicated, motivated, and communicate, and we can definitely do this. So if we implement my idea and which I'll share in just a moment, we can stop wasting time, and we can start using that time for other things that are more important, and that kind of potentially save us money, in ways we didn't really think about. So I guess I could have reorganized my slide a little bit better here. Well, I've got a couple other ideas of things we could do to make it better. One, we could just recreate that inventory book that I was talking about flipping through, maybe try and make it a little bit more user-friendly, or we could purchase a scanner from our vendors where we can kind of just scan the items we need, and it uploads it into the system where we order them. Both of these are pretty good ideas. First one's obviously cheapest, but it's going to be just about as long of a process as what we've already got. And the scanner idea is kind of expensive, and it takes a lot of equipment and reorganization and things. So what we should do is I have an idea to utilize like a little tablet or one of those small laptop computers to download the software and just walk into the freezer with those and just go through and essentially type them into the online software for order and just not click order right away. Just review it at the end of the day and then just click submit to order. That way it's also paperless. There's less confusion with handwriting. There's not flipping through the books, scratching out numbers. And the vendor said that it's pretty easy to set this up and that actually a lot of other companies do this. So benefits: efficient, affordable, accurate. Risks: expensive equipment depending on the tablet or whatever device we use. We might have software issues and a potential misuse, if somebody does something they shouldn't with the tablet or the laptop. So our vendors have given us everything that we need. They're really happy to help us out in this transition. The costs, I've done some laptop comparisons and tablet comparisons that I can give to my managers and everybody who would be approving this decision. And of course, I am happy to volunteer to train the couple people that would be needed to perform this. And that is all. Thank you.
Great.
Okay.
Love the graphics.
Oh, yeah. Thanks. Oh boy, now I just have to find this so that there it is. Okay.
So as far as the assignment is concerned, what was everyone's take on exactly what the output from tonight is supposed to be for this piece of the assignment? Besides, I mean, it's summarize what you presented, what feedback you received. So basically, just a summary of what we did and what feedback we got, and then pasting the paragraphs directly into the Angel submission text box. Okay. I thought it was great. I mean, I absolute, what a huge improvement that would be to the way you do it already. Just curious, what was the cost? Did they identify the exact cost for that wireless component of that inventory system?
Well, the awesome thing about it is that I talked to the vendor, because a lot of companies with software like that, you have to pay per computer that the software's on, but there's nothing like that involved. So it literally would just be the cost of buying the tablet, or because I don't think that what's it called, an iPad would work. I think you have to use like a a tablet with Windows. So just whatever that cost would be. So it's really
Wow.
minimal in the scheme of things when it could cut down time by quite a bit. It's one of those things where you come in and you're like, really? This is how we're doing things? So,
You're gonna be the hero. There's no doubt about it.
okay.
Great. So who's next? Who's the next victim? I guess I could volunteer.
Okay.
It will be apparent immediately that I am absolutely not creative. Kind of a tech guy, so my creative ability is very weak. Any on the design of is absolutely welcome. Anything that looks overdone or an obvious attempt to dress up the presentation, let me know. It's impossible to offend me. So, can all of you see my desktop?
Um,
Telecommunications infrastructure improvements.
I don't. I just see
Let's
this
see.
the same.
Let's see. Did I not tell it to share the screen? Let's see. Screen share. Full screen. Oh, I wonder. Okay, start screen share. Okay, missed that button. Okay, tell me if you. How about now?
I don't see anything, but my whole computer just froze, and that's never happened. So
Still nothing?
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything either.
Hmm.
I'm seeing Nicole. I'm seeing you like twice at the bottom of the screen, like
yeah, I
in the
think let
conversation.
me.
That's what I
If I
see.
hang, okay, let
That's
me
what I
hang up
see
and see if
there.
anything
I
started.
wonder if that's just a delay. What that might be is my screen from, because I had that's the screen I had up when I initially started the screen share,
Oh,
and I
okay.
wonder if that's. Let me go back and stop screen share.
Yeah.
If there's like Nicole. Uh-oh. Okay, I lost audio.
Oh, there's Nicole.
Oh,
Okay,
there
so
we
let's
go.
see.
Okay, I thought I lost audio. Um, Let me see if I can get this to work. Anything?
Did you see the one from David that just said every time I click accept it shuts my computer off?
What?
Oh, oh no.
Where? Oh, there's the chat.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure what else I need to do to share that screen.
That's really weird. You're clicking the thing in the top left that says share screen or whatever.
Yeah, on the toolbar on the left-hand side.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I clicked. That green thing. And then you had like, did you have a couple options? Because like when I clicked it, you have a couple options as to what to share.
Yeah, I did. I had like several desktops that
Okay.
it was showing, and I don't know.
Did you click full screen? I mean, that's what I did. I don't know if that's like the best thing to do,
Yeah,
but okay.
let me try that. Okay, so I'm going to click full screen, start screen share, and I see my shared screen in the bottom right-hand corner, along with
Interesting.
um, Nicole's picture, but apparently
Try.
no one else is seeing that. Hmm.
Oh, geez, I'm still not getting a screen share. It's weird.
Here, we'll see if you can see. Hmm.
Oh, yeah, I see. Yeah,
Do you see mine now?
yeah. It's kind of small, but I see it, yeah.
Well, here, I can make it. Is that way big or the same size?
I don't see anything different, but I see that it looks like you're just like in PowerPoint. That's bigger.
Hmm. Is that way bigger?
For me, it's still like, it's probably like 70% of my screen, but
Yeah.
interesting. Did you click full screen whenever you did it?
Mm-hmm. Alright, maybe we'll start the whole thing over so that way both these guys can try. Let me see.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Oh wow, I'm seeing that like, okay.